Okay, yan. It's not working. Okay. I'm gonna try to remove it first. Yan. Wala. Not working. No bump. No tunog. No sounds. So, I'll try the whole RAM. Gonna replace it with the other one. The default SDT one. Then and there are sounds. Lalabas na siya. Oh, yun, lumabas na. Ngayon, i-refresh ko to. Action. Para ma-refresh siya. Oh, see, yun. So, it's working. The normal HD, but the whole RAM of yours is not working. So, kind of fixed it. Oh, replace it. Thank you.